Welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, you will get learn how to install Laravel on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS and create a Laravel application and deploy on local server by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. At first, open new terminal and install PHP on your system with this command sudo apt install PHP 8.1 hyphen CGI and PHP 8.1 hyphen CLI. Okay, now hit enter and then enter the password. Okay, we are going to install Laravel via Composer. So at first we need to install Composer on our system with this command sudo apt install Composer. Okay, now I am going to create a Laravel project using Composer. Copy this command and navigate to a directory where you want to store the Laravel project. I am going to store this project on desktop. Okay, now enter the application name my app, my case. Okay, and hit enter. It may take a while for downloading and installing Laravel installer and loading Composer repositories with the package information. If you get this error, your requirements could not be resolved to an installation set of package. Here you will find the missing requirement. Problem 1, we need to install PHP unit. Type this command sudo apt install PHP unit. Okay, now type Y to continue installation. Okay, now apply this command again. We need to remove the project from desktop. Okay, and then apply this command again. We need to install PHP curl extension. Type this command sudo apt install PHP 8.1 curl. Okay, now delete this project and then enter this command again. That's it. It may take a while for downloading the packages and installing. Okay, Laravel project has been created. Now navigate to the project directory by cd. Okay, and now I am going to deploy this project on local server. Just type php artisan serve, hit enter. Okay, the Laravel development server running on this URL. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.